Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Himanshu Shrivastava. You are watching Himanshu the Food Wizard. So today we will be talking about HMT, that is heat and mass transfer. Under this we will discuss about difference between heat transfer and mass transfer, modes of heat transfer, and what are the governing laws for modes of heat transfer. So if you guys find this video informative, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. Let us first distinguish between heat transfer and mass transfer. So heat transfer is transfer of energy by virtue of temperature difference, whereas mass transfer is the movement of mass as a result of concentration gradient or concentration difference. Talking about the heat transfer operations are milling, blending, drying, sterilization, pasteurization and many more. And these all our operations are utilized in the food processing industries. Whereas mass transfer processes are absorption, distillation, evaporation, precipitation, membrane filtration and many more. So this is about the difference between heat transfer and mass transfer. So next about the introduction to heat transfer. Under this subsection, modes of heat transfer. So there are basically three modes of heat transfer. First, conduction. Second, convection. Third and the last one, radiation. So we will look them in detail one by one. So first mode of heat transfer, that is conduction. So what is conduction? When heat transfer takes place in same medium, that is from solid to solid, liquid to liquid or from gas to gas, then it is known as conduction. Pure conduction is achieved when medium is at rest or at stationary point. Next point, governing law for conduction is Fourier's law. So what is Fourier's law? According to this law, rate of heat transfer Q is directly proportional to negative temperature gradient, and rate of heat transfer is directly proportional to area perpendicular to direction of heat flow. So combining the above relations, we get Q equal to minus K Tt over dx. So this is Fourier's law, where Q is rate of heat transfer whose unit is watt, K thermal conductivity of food material whose unit is watt per meter per Kelvin, A is area perpendicular to direction of heat flow whose unit is meter square, and dt by dx is temperature gradient, where dt is difference of the temperature and temperature unit is Kelvin, and dx is thickness whose unit is in meter. About convection. So what is convection? When heat transfer takes place in different medium, that is from solid to liquid or liquid to gas or vice versa, then it is known as convection. Convection is achieved when medium is in motion. What is the governing law for convection? Newton's law of cooling is the governing law for convection. According to this law, rate of heat transfer is equal to HAS Ts minus T infinity, or you can also write it as HAS del T, where Q equal to rate of heat transfer whose unit is watt, H equal to heat transfer coefficient whose unit is watt per meter square to Kelvin. A, area of surface in contact with the fluid, and area unit you know, meter square, and del T is the difference of the temperature. Temperature unit is Kelvin. So the last mode of heat transfer, that is radiation, or you can also call it as thermal radiation. So radiation doesn't require any medium to transfer heat. In case of conduction and convection, we see that in case of conduction there is same medium to transfer heat, and in case of convection there is different mediums to transfer heat. But in case of radiation, it doesn't require any medium, means there is no medium to transfer heat, it travels directly. Thermal radiation is due to electromagnetic waves. Governing law for radiation is Stevens-Boltzmann law. According to this law, emissive power of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. We get a constant which is known as Stevens-Boltzmann's constant, whose value is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square into Kelvin to the power 4. Absolute temperature unit you know in Kelvin, and emissive power of black body unit is watt per meter square. So radiation doesn't require any medium to transfer heat, and thermal radiation is due to the electromagnetic waves. What is the governing law? Governing law for radiation is Stevens-Boltzmann law, which states that emissive power of black body is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature, and we get a constant of proportionality which is known as Stevens-Boltzmann's constant, whose value is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8 watt per meter square into Kelvin to the power 4, and temperature unit is absolute temperature unit is Kelvin, and emissive power of black body unit is watt per meter square. So far what we have learned, let us discuss that. On the basis of several points, we can now tell the difference between heat transfer and mass transfer. Then about introduction to modes of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation, and the governing laws for conduction, convection and radiation. Hope you guys find this video informative, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you have any query or any doubt, or you want to give any types of suggestion, just comment below. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video with some new topics.